Welcome folks to a game-changing video, how to boost your Upwork profile visibility. Get ready because this is going to revolutionize the way you showcase your skills on Upwork. Tip 1, the power of boosting. Upwork has unleashed a new superhero in the freelancing world. Boosting. And this superhero comes in two flavors, boosting profiles and boosting project catalogs. In this video, we are diving deep into the world of boosting profiles, uncovering the secret that can make or break your Upwork experience. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, you might be wondering, do you even need it? Well, that's the burning question we'll answer, so keep watching. Tip 2, the first glance. Imagine you're a client on Upwork and you're searching for talent. On the right side of your screen, you'll spot a game changer. Boost your profile. Click that pencil icon and bingo, you are in boosting zone. It's like stepping into a world where you control your destiny. Tip 3, crafting your boost. Now let's talk strategy. Boosting works like an ad campaign, but it's your profile that's the star. You get to select your audience, choose your specialty, and set your budget limits. The result, your profile rockets to the top of the list, making you a shining star in your niche. Tip 4, winning the click battle. Ever been in a race in the boosting game? It's a race to secure top spot. The more connections you offer per click, the higher you soar. Remember, clients are drawn to profiles that shine the brightest, so be generous with your connections. Tip 5, the budget balancing act. But hold on, there's a budget to manage. You can set a daily limit or total limit to control your spending. It's like a game of strategy. Allocate your budget wisely and stay in the game. Tip 6, the boost advantage. When you've embraced the boosting magic, you'll see the real results. Your profile shoots up to ranking, appearing right in front of potential clients. If you're a React.js developer, for instance, and someone is looking for one, they'll find you right at the top of the list. It's like having a VIP pass in the world of freelancing. Tip 7, real-life testing. Now I know what you're thinking. Does this even work? Well, I'm your guinea pig for this experiment. I am going to test it out and share the results with you. But here's the kicker. It all hinges on how well you optimize your profile. So before you dive into boosting, make sure your profile is a masterpiece. Tip 8, patience is a virtue. One thing to keep in mind, boosting is still relatively new and it might ruffle Upwork algorithm feathers. So it's crucial to give it some time to work its magic. Optimization is the key and it's your job to make your profile shine. So should you take the boosting plunge? The answer isn't black or white. It depends on your goals and your profile's readiness. In the end, boosting can be a game changer, but it's not the one-size-fits-all solution. Experiment, optimize, and watch the results unfold. Stay tuned for our next video where we will explore the boosting project catalogs. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care and goodbye for now, and remember, be freelantastic.